Service in Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Ox County and south central Wisconsin, western Walworth County and southeast Wisconsin until 5:45 p.m. At 5:03 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing ping-pong ball-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. This storm was located near downtown Janesville and moving east at 25 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Delavon Lake, Emerald Grove, Johnstown Center, Richmond, Delavon, Millard, and Tibbetts. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road.